Costco selling doomsday prepper food kits. All right, Nicole, A, how much do they cost? And B, why they're doing it?
Well, they cost between $1,000 and $6,000 for your doomsday food kit for 4 people. If you're on a 1,200 calorie a day, you get the 1,000. If your family eats about 2,000 calories, we better fork it over for the $6,000 kit. They send it to you in very discreet packaging so your neighbors don't know that you're worried about the apocalypse. But I'll tell you, as a parent, people may want to get this and store it. It has fruits, vegetables, proteins, grains, dairy, and has a shelf life of up to 30 years.
By the way, the picture on the screens there didn't look like much, but that was a picture of the package and its contents, okay? All right, Nicole, thank you very much indeed. Don't worry about your neighbors. They're not worried about you.